Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice basic math algebra challenge. So we have 6 plus 4 times of 6 minus 4. Here you remember that calculator is not allowed in this problem. We need to show all of the working on this paper. So here first I can explain the common mistakes which students can do in your exams. So students just solve this problem in this way. 6 plus 4 becomes 10 into 6 minus 4 becomes 2. And after that he multiply these two values, and 10 times 2 becomes here 20. But this is the wrong procedure. Here we cannot solve this problem in this way. Okay, if you can solve this problem, you can got the 0 marks in your exam, because this is the wrong way. And now here I can again solve this problem in a correct way. In correct method, we use here the PEMDAS rule to solve this problem. And now here first we need to a little bit explain the PEMDAS rule. So here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So you can follow the rule from left to right. Okay, we can just follow this rule from left to right. This means that here we give the first priority to parentheses, and then we solve exponent, and then we solve multiplication and division and addition or subtraction. At the last we solve the addition or subtraction. And now if we focus into the question statement, you see that there are three signs. First is addition sign, subtraction sign, and parentheses. We know that here our gives the first priority to the parenthesis sign. It means that we need to solve first the parenthesis values. Okay, so we have this is 6 plus 4 times, here we have parentheses, 6 minus 4 becomes here 2. Okay, now we solve the parentheses, and now here you see that again we see two signs, the addition sign or multiplication sign. And here this is multiplication, this is addition. It means that the priority of addition, priority of multiplication is first priority, and then we solve our addition. So 4 times of 2 becomes here 8. And now you see here we have just only one sign, and that is addition sign. So we have 8 plus 6 becomes here 14. So this is our final answer of the given question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.